Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It is yours truly, Sean Hamlet, and for today's video we are going to be reviewing Beyonce's Homecoming merch. Yes, I know I'm late by like 2 years, but guess what? I literally just recently watched her Homecoming performance and I was amazed. I watched it on Netflix, and I was just like, wow. Literally, my just like the one word I just came out of my mouth throughout the entire 2-hour performance was wow. I just loved how it was just so amazing. It was just full of amazingness. It was just amazing. Like I don't know what else to say about it. It was just the most perfect performance I've ever seen in my entire life. Since her Ivy Park collection came out, I was like really like more of like a fan. I mean, I've always like loved Beyonce, don't get me wrong, but like after Ivy Park I was like, oh okay, yeah, I'm gonna definitely follow up on this on Beyonce. But yeah, like, so let's just review it. As you can see right here, we have, I'll just take it up, we have the merch, we have the goods, we have that amazing beat for who? Beyonce. So I got 3. So 2 are Homecoming. Then 1 is just like a sweater that really appealed to me. So yeah, let's open it. So first one, let's open this one first. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. You guys, the quality. Oh my god. Okay, I fell. Yo, this sweater. I am wearing this 24/7. I am wearing this 24/7. Look at this. Like, I don't know if you can see the detail on the box. Here, I'll like move it closer. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, there we go. It's like, it looks so good, you know? Like, it's just, oh my flipping god. This is amazing. This is amazing, and I'll show you guys how it looks like on me. But yeah, this is just so amazing. So that's one of them. That's my favorite one. I'm definitely gonna be wearing that like every day. Next one, is this one with the, I don't know. So this one's not the homecoming part of the homecoming performance merchandise. So yeah, this was I got this on a Black Friday deal. Yeah, Black Friday. So they had like discounted prices and you can get a free pin. So I'll show you guys that. But yeah, here's the other one. So yeah, we have this one right here. We have a Beyonce's beautiful face at the front. The pixels aren't the best, but it is what it is. Let's open it. So the reason why I got this one is the fact that the lyrics are at the back of the sweater. A majority of her songs, not lyrics, a majority of her songs are at the back of the sweater. I'll show you all that. But first, let's look at Beyonce's beautiful face, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is how it looks. Yeah, we got that beautiful queen at the front. We love that. And then at the back, we got lyrics, and I'll show you all that as well. So we have these lyrics right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. I hope you can. So yeah, my favorite song out of all these is probably Run the World. Yeah. Run the world. Run the world. You know who runs the world? Girls. Period. So yeah, I love this sweater. The quality is actually good. So yeah, that's that. And then here's the pins. I love these. So we have I think this is a queen, I think. I don't know who that is. So that's that. No, that's, yeah, there we go. So that's a African queen, a queen. I don't know. It looks like a queen. We have Beyonce with you know, raising her fist. We love that. Then we have a bee. I guess for the beehive. I'm not sure. And then a Black Panther. I don't really know what that. Or is it just a panther? Well, it's a Black Panther. I don't know what that symbolizes, but it's whatever. But the quality of these pins are actually nice. So yeah, we'll look at those. And then the last one is my second favorite. Oh my god, I cannot open these packages. I have like no strength. This is what happens when you're at home 24/7. You have literally no strength for anything. Oh my god, you guys. So this is the same thing as the pin. I'll show you guys side by side. So there's this, and there's this. So everything's basically the same. Pins and the sweater. I love it. These sweaters look so small. I got a large. This is a large. This can fit me. I love this. You see like the, what do you call this? The crest? Yeah, the crest. It's called a crest. I got that right. I love the crest. I literally, when I wear this, I'm gonna feel like I'm at a homecoming performance. Oh, this is so amazing. This is actually amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on for you so y'all can see how it looks like. And I'm gonna also pair it with some of the Ivy Park accessories, because why not? So yeah, I love every single purchase I got. I'm very happy with the purchases I got. Let's take a deeper look into these amazing outfits. So as y'all can see, we have the nice crest right here. Nice, very bright yellow sweater. Also, I'm wearing the Ivy Park cargo pants. As you can see, like the color is very different. These pants are like brown, obviously, and then yellow. So I guess you really want to go all out. I think this would definitely be the look. If you want to go all out, like if you want to, like, you know, wear some baggy cargo pants plus a baggy sweater, bam. So yeah, I really love both of this. But I really feel like this would look good. This sweater would look good with black pants. So yeah, let's put on some black pants and see how that looks. Y'all, these black pants really brings out the yellow in the sweater. I am loving it. I like this. I like this. Like, if you're ever going with like a popping color type of look, maybe some jeans, black jeans. If you're wearing like a very dark color, like this is like a dark yellow, so black jeans will definitely look good with that. So yeah, to also put on the belt bag, but I don't think it looks good with it. It's just, yeah, it doesn't really look good with it. I don't know. The belt definitely is, you know, as I mentioned, the belt, black pants look good with the yellow sweater. But the bag, that's a different story. That's a different story. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite sweater. I'm not gonna lie. I always love this. It's very minimalist, very chic, very pink, and I love that. I'm just living. I'm living for this. This is literally too good. I can't. Oh my goodness. The real question is, will the belt look good with this? I don't think so. I honestly don't think so. You know, let's just like leave the Ivy Park alone, because that only works well with the Ivy Park collection stuff, which is that's what I was holding. Like this is good. This is actually good. I love this. It's giving me good vibes. You know, it's giving me very good vibes. The quality feels nice. Quality's comfy. You know. Yeah, these are pretty great. You know what? Let's try some Ivy Park with this. There's bound to be something that works well with this, whether it's the belt or the belt bag. So let's try it out. I'm gonna try it out mostly because you know, Ivy Park is Beyonce's merch, so that's kind of one of the reasons. Ooh, this brings out the black. Okay, yeah, this definitely brings out the color. Ooh, you know, I love this piece just because like it's like black and white, and it really goes well when you just like let it hang low. But yeah, I love this. This works well with this. Yeah, but will the belt work well with this? Will the industrial belt work well with this? I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, I love this. Oh my god, this is just amazing. This entire fit, I'm living for it. I'm breathing it. I'm living it. You know, I'm feeling myself. You know, and you know, Beyonce and Nicki Minaj. You know, feeling myself. You know, I feel flawless. Oof, you know, I just love it. I just love it. This is definitely my favorite sweater by far. Let's try the belt, see how that works. So we got the belt. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, so apparently pink works well with black, or any dark colors works well with each other. This is how it looks like, you know, with the belt. The things you can't really see the Ivy Park. Also, it's just like there's no detail. That's what I hate. On the black side, it's like absolutely no detail, which is sad, very sad. But other than that, the belt's pretty cool. I like these type of belts. So yeah, I'm giving this outfit definitely 10 out of 10. Well, not with this belt, but the other belt 10 out of 10. And I just love the sweaters. I'm giving this sweater like a 20 out of 10 because this sweater is too good. Now on to the last sweater. Okay, so this is definitely my second favorite sweater after the pink one. I just love how it's very, what's the word? It's not too much. It's not too much. It's a nice light. It's not light brown. It's like a light. I don't know what it is. I just love it. I mean, have this beautiful picture of Beyonce. You know, Beyonce be looking amazing. I don't know if I can show you. Nah, it's not gonna work. But yeah, we have Beyonce over there, and also, you know, party in the front, business in the back with the lyrics. I love it. I don't know if y'all can see the lyrics properly, but I did show y'all in the video. But yeah, I love this sweater. It's very nice. So we have it with the black pants. It looks good, but I feel like, you know, with those Ivy Park pants that we wore with the yellow sweater, I think it will look good on with this sweater. So let's put those on. This definitely works. Yeah, this definitely works. You have the light. I don't even know what color this is. Beige. That's what this color is. I've been thinking about, well, what color is this? Beige with these nice honey looking pants. I love it. Let's try it with the belt. Oof. So we're gonna use this belt, this side with the yellow. Yeah, I like this belt. I don't even know if y'all could even see it. It's very I feel like I'm very far away, but whenever I go close, it gets darker. So yeah, this is how this is better. So this is how the belt looks, as y'all can see. I like it. It's pretty good. You know, I like it like that. So I want to put this belt bag over this belt like this. I did this in my Ivy Park video, but I didn't mention that. I didn't mention it, which I deeply regret. And so yeah, so let's see how it looks like. So you're basically like overlaying the belt. So I think this is a good look. Let me just tighten this first. So yeah, as y'all see, we have the belt bag, the Ivy Park belt. I'll come up closer so y'all can see it properly. So yeah, we have both belts, best of both worlds. I like this look. I really like this look. If you really want to go all out, belt bag and belt. I had to think about what I'm saying. So yeah, these two work so well with each other. It's unbelievable. I'm in love with this outfit. Literally, this is probably gonna be my daily outfit if I ever go outside. Yeah, this is so amazing. I love it. This is a look. Camouflage pants with a sweater. They're both they're both a beige type of color. As you can see, the camouflage isn't like your average like dark green, forest green. Very light colors and looks so good. I don't know if y'all can see it, but like, yes, bring the Ivy Park, bring the Beyoncé, bring the H&M, collaborate, all those three. You got yourself one amazing look. This is definitely by far my best look. Yeah, I love this. This sweater is probably maybe my favorite. I said the pink one was my favorite before, but I feel like this is my favorite just because it goes so well with other items. We have both belts. We have these nice beige pants, and we tried with the Ivy Park cargo pants, and those worked perfectly. So I'm living for this. I'm living for this outfit. I'm looking for this attire. And then we have, you know, the lyrics in the back. This is too good to be true. So yeah, this is that look, and I really hope you all enjoy this look. And I really hope you all enjoyed the other looks as well. So yeah, let's get back to the video. I really hope each and every one of you enjoyed my video today. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. Also, if you would like to see more content, please subscribe. I'd also appreciate that as well. And as always, be your best self, stay motivated, and be happy. And also stay safe. You know, Miss Corona's out there, so just remember to wear a face mask. Yeah, I will see you hopefully soon. Bye bye.